Hi everyone, here's a quick instructional video on playing triads. I'm going to start on a flat surface, any sort of tabletop will do. And I'm going to play a note, skip a note, play a note. So basically, play finger 1, skip 2, play 3, skip 4, play 5. So it's 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, and then all 3 at the same time. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, all of them. If you're having trouble playing these 3 fingers down and keeping these in the air, you can just play the outer fingers, 1 and 5, and then bounce on 3 until it feels comfortable, and then keep it down. Now the left hand, we'll start with finger 5. 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, all the notes. Or if you're having trouble, 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, the outer notes, bounce on finger 3 until it's comfortable, and then bounce on all the notes. Okay, now let's do that on the keyboard, starting on C. The right hand will play 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, and all the notes. The left hand will play 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, and all the notes. What I do not want to hear is 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, and then the chord right away. We want 1 beat of silence in the meantime. So think 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's that beat of silence. Wait, then all the notes. Now once you get good at that, let's go back to a tabletop and do it with the hands together. Wait, all the notes. And when you get good at that, let's do it on the keyboard. Wait,